friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and tutorials. So in this video we're going to talk about class 11th maths chapter 3 trigonometric functions exercise 3.2 examples. Let us start the first example, that is example 6. So the question is, if cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5, x lies in third quadrant, find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. But before this, I have said the introduction part of exercise 3.2. Also, I have covered the exercise 3.2 solutions, complete solutions. If you want the video, so you can refer the link in the description box, or you can also see in the I button. Okay, let's start. So what they have given in the question is, first cos x value they have given it, that is minus 3 by 5, and they have said x lies in the third quadrant. So and what they have said, find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So they have given the value of cos, and they have also said that the value of x lies in what? X lies in third quadrant. And they have also said that we have to find the value of 5 trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions is what? Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant, cot. Okay, these are all the values we need to find. They are saying over here. Okay, so first of all we have to see what the value they have given in the functions. If we know the value of cos, we can automatically find the value of secant. How it is? See, secant, how we can find it is a reciprocal of cos x. So what is the value of cos? Minus 3 by 5. So 1 into minus 3 by 5 reciprocal, if we do, what will happen? 5 by 3. Minus remains the same. Okay. So minus 5 by 3. So we got the value of secant also. So we're going to tick it. Okay. So what are the trigonometric equations are? One is sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. So these are the trigonometric equations which you need to learn. Okay, these are the very important equations. Okay, that is formula. Okay, so first of all we know the value of secant and cos, that is cos and secant. So in which equation the cos and secant are there, in that you can keep. So in this cos is there, so we can keep. In this you can secant is there, you can keep. There is no secant or cos in this third equation, so we cannot keep in this. Okay, so if you keep in this, you will get sine value, automatically you can find cosecant. If you keep in this, you will get tan value, automatically you can cot. Okay, so I am keeping in first equation. If you want, you can keep, but I am just keeping for simplification easy. So first equation I am applying. Okay, so sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So what's the value of cos? Minus 3 by 5. They have given the question. Minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 1. Sine square x plus. So whenever the power is even, the minus becomes plus. Okay. So 3 square 9, 5 square 25. So we need the value of sine only. So plus 9 by 25, which goes right side, becomes minus 9 by 25. So 1 and 25 LCM is what? 25. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16 by 25. So what happens? What we got? 16 by 25. So what we need, just the value of sine x, not the sine square x. So whenever we are sending the sine square, it's there in the left hand side, goes to right hand side, becomes root. Okay, under root 16 by 25 becomes plus or minus. So we know square roots, right? In square roots, 40 the square root of 16 is 4 and 25 is 5. So plus or minus. So we need to know whether the sin x values which is there, it is plus 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. There is a hint in question already they have given, is that, see, x lies in the third quadrant they have said. So as I have said in the exercise 3.2 introduction also, If you want, you can refer the video I have provided in the description box as well as in the I button. See, all silver tea cups. When we should see, when you have to follow this plane, that is that this the Cartesian plane is that whenever we want to know the any value, it is plus something plus value or minus value, we have to see first in the question, that is where x lies in which quadrant. Here they are saying third quadrant. The third quadrant is here. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So in third quadrant only, t means what? Tan and cot. So briefly I have explained in this Cartesian plane in the introduction part also. If you want, you can see that before the video, okay? So tan and cot. So here only tan and cot are positive, all are negative. So sine is not there. So what's the value of sine? Minus 4 by 5. So we got the value of cos and secant. Also we got the value of sine. That is what the value of sine. We got the value of sine as sin x as minus 4 by 5. So when you know the value of sine, automatically you can find the value of cosecant, which is reciprocal of sine. 1 by sin x. So 1 by, what's the value of sine? Minus 4 by 5. So when we do 4 by 5 reciprocal, it comes 5 by 4 and this minus remains the same. 1 minus 5 by 4. So we got the value of cosecant also. Let's take it. So we just need the value of tan and cot. How we can find the value of tan and cot? See, tan and cot, how we should find is, we have one formula, sin x by cos x. Okay. So we know the value of sine, right? What's the value of sine? Minus 4 by 5. And the value of cos they have given in the question only. That is minus 3 by 5. So when we do like this, minus 4 by 5 is right as it is. And divide becomes into 3 by 5 reciprocal, 5 by 3. And minus into minus plus 5 cancel. 4 by 3. So we got the value of tan also. So we got the value of tan, automatically you can find the value of cot also. It is reciprocal of tan. 1 by tan x. So what's the value of tan? We got 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. So we got all the values they have said in the question. To find the values of all other 5 geometric functions, I find it. So let's proceed to example 7. So guys, example 7 is what they have said is, see, they have said if cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12. So whenever you're getting any question, see, underline whatever the values they have given. Cot x they have given minus 5 by 12. And they have said x lies in second quadrant. And we have to find the values of what? Other 5 geometric functions. So other 5 geometric functions means what? As I have said, sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant and secant. Okay. So what they have given in the question, the value of, they have given the value of cot. So just take it. So when we know the value of cot, automatically we can find the value of tan, which is reciprocal of cot. So solution. So cot. So what is the value of cot? They have given the question minus 5 by 12. Okay. So minus 5 by 12. 1 into 5 by 12 reciprocal is 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5 is the answer of tan. So we got the value of tan, we got the value of cot. So we got the value of tan and cot. So how we are going to find the value of sine, cos, cosecant, secant? Same procedure using the trigonometric equations. So when we know the value of two values, that is tan and cot, which equation we have to use? Out of three equations, I am going to write again. See, sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cos square x is equal to cosecant square x. So we know the value of what? We know the value of tan and cot. So which equation you have to use this one? No, because tan and cot is not there. This equation, yes. This equation, yes. So I am using the first equation. So first of all, so 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. So we know the value of tan. That is what? Minus 12 by 5. Okay. So we are going to give the value of tan over here. And secant square x as it is. So 1 plus, when the power is even, minus becomes plus. 12 square, 144, 5 square, 25, secant square x. So taking LCM. Okay, 1 and 25, the LCM is 25. So 25 plus 144 is equal to secant square x. So 144 plus 25 is what? 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 5, 9. Which is 169 is the answer. So 169 by 25 is the 9. Secant square x. So what we need the value of what? Secant square x. So whichever value you are finding, that should be in the left hand side. Okay. So we need just the value of secant x, not the secant square x. So we are going to send the square the right hand side, which becomes under root 169 by 25. So this becomes secant x is equal to what is the square root of 169? That is 13, and 25 is 5. So we need to know the value of secant x as plus 13 by 5 or minus 13 by 5. So for that I have said in the question they will be giving that whatever the value x lies in second quadrant, they have said already. Second quadrant means what? Second quadrant, only all silver teacups. So all silver teacups means second quadrant means what? This one. In this only sine and cosecant are only positive, all are negative. So this will be secant x value will be minus 13 by 5. So we got the value of secant x also. So when we get the value of secant, we automatically find the value of cos also. So cos x is equal to 1 by secant x. What the value of secant x we got over here? We got the value of minus 13 by 5. So minus 13 by 5. So when we do 13 by 5 reciprocal, it is 5 by 13 minus 5 by 13. So we got the value of cos. Okay. So we got the value of cos also. So just we need to find the sine and cosecant. How we are going to find the sine and cosecant? So using trigonometric equations. Okay. So how we are going to find? We need the value of sine and cos. So here you can use this one, right? Because sine and cos are there. This one, no, sine and cos are not there. In this, sine and cos values are not there. So don't. You have not use second and third equations. You have to use first equation. Okay. So sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So using this equation, we are going to find the value of sine and cosecant. So we know the value of cos, that is minus 5 by 13. Minus 5 by 12 whole square is equal to 1. So sine square x. So when the power is even, minus becomes plus. 5 square, 25, 13 square, 169 is equal to 1. So we need the value of sine x. So we have to go into here only. So 1 plus 25 by 69. So plus 25 by 169 will goes right hand side, becomes minus 25 by 169. Okay. So sine square x, when you take the LCM 1 and 169, becomes 169. 169 minus 25. So 169 minus 25, 9 minus 5 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 1. It's 144. So sine square x. So 169 minus 25 is 144 by 169. So just we need the value of sine x, not the sine square x. So I'm sending the square to the right hand side. So when its square goes right hand side, it becomes under root. Okay. Sine x is equal to under root 144 by 169 plus or minus. So we know the square root of 144, which is 12. 169 is 13. So we don't know whether plus 12 by 13 will come, minus 12 by 13 will come, sign value. So in question they have given that x lies in second quadrant, already they have given. So x lies in second quadrant means, so in Cartesian plane, all silver teacups, they have set x value lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive, all are negative. So this sine value becomes positive. So sine is there. So plus 12 by 13. So we got the value of sine. Automatically we find the value of cosecant, right? So cosecant is equal to 1 by sine x. So sin x value is 12 by 13. Also already we have got. So 12 by 13 reciprocal is 13 by 12. So 13 by 12 is the answer. So we got all the defined trigonometric functions values. So the question is completed. So let's go to example 8. So the next question is example 8. Find the value of sine 31 pi by 3. So when you get like this, how we have to do is, first of all, solution. See, we have to write 31 pi by 3, like, see, when you do 10 pi plus pi by 3, we can write 31 pi by 3 as 10 pi plus pi by 3, because when you take LCM, 3 it will come. 3 into 10, 30 pi, 3 into 3 get cancelled. So 31 pi by 3 will come. So we can write 31 pi by 3 in the form of 10 pi plus pi by 3. 10 pi plus pi by 3. So when you get like this 10 pi, just don't remember this, just remember this only. So it becomes sine pi by 3. So I have set trigonometric table in exercise 3.1 reduction. If you don't know the trigonometric table, how to remember the values, so I'll provide the link in the description box. You can see as well as in the I button. Okay. So sine pi by 3, it becomes sine pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2. So example 8 is completed. So let's go to example 9. So example 9 is find the value of cos minus 1710 degrees. So when you get like this question, what you have to do first is, first you have to divide with this 180. Any value you get like this, divide it 180. As I have said, exercise 3.2 also solutions when I was discussing. So 1710 we divide with 180. So if 180 table, what is less than 1700 less than what is it? It is 9 times it will go. It is 1620. Okay. So 0 minus 0 is 0. When you take borrow, 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 6, 0, 0. So just you have to consider the 90. So we got the value of 90. So when you get like this values, as I have said, exercise 3.2 solutions also, we have to do this as into and you have to add this. Okay. So solution. So when you get like this, what I have said, another thing I have said, cos of minus x, I have said cos x. So So cos of minus x is what? Plus x. This minus becomes plus. It will go, okay? So 180 into 9 plus 90. So when you get 180 into 9, just don't remember this, just remember 90. So what is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0, the trigonometric table values. So guys, we have completed the exercise 3.2 example, that is example 6, example 7, example 9. So in the next video, I'm going to start exercise 3.3 solutions. So if you like this video, please like this video. If you want the latest notifications from my channel, the notifications of latest videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.